With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Right, this is our question. Here we are told that a fair coin is tossed 5 times. What is the probability that it landed heads up at least 2 times? So first we should start off with the concept of number of combinations of n items are at a time is ncr, which is equal to n factorial by r factorial times n minus r factorial. Basically, this tells us the number of combinations of n number of separate combinations of n items taken r at a time. So why this will be important, it will come, I will show you as we go on. Second, what we should know is that they have told us to find the probability that we get at least 2 heads. It lands up heads at least 2 times means at least 2 heads. So P of at least 2 heads is actually equal to 1 minus P of 0 heads, and if we take this plus P of 1 head. Since P of at least 2 heads will include, if we get 2 heads, 3 heads, 4 heads, or even 5 heads, it's easier to calculate it as such, where we are subtracting from 1, which is the total probability, 2 items, P of 0 heads and P of 1 head. So we must find these 2 items, P of 0 and P of 1 head, and we can find out the answer. So to find P of 0 head, actually first we'll know that for any particular coin toss, P of tails equal to 1 by 2 and probability of head is also equal to 1 by 2. Now since there are 5 coin tosses, in each of them we will have to multiply it by 1 by 2 to the power of 5, meaning probability of 0 heads in 5, this 0 heads actually means probability of 0 heads in 5 coin tosses. This would be 1 by 2 to the power of 5, and since in all these 5 we are getting 0 heads, we will also use this formula of combination, which is 5C0, because this will give us the number of ways we can combine 5, we can get a combination of n items, 5 items taken 0 at a time. Hence what this will actually become is 1 by 2 to the power of 5 into 5 factorial. Using this formula we can see it is 0 factorial and 5 factorial. This and this will get cut, and one important aspect to remember about factorials is that 0 factorial is equal to 1. It might seem like 0 factorial should be 0, but it is actually equal to 1. So using this we get probability of 0 heads is 1 by 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 1 by 32. Now we will find out probability of 1 heads. This means probability of 1 head in 5 separate coin tosses. Hence we will do 1 by 2 to the power of 4, number of tails we get, into 1 by 2 to the power of 1, number of heads, into 5C1, because we must find the ways of combining, ways of getting combinations of 5 items taken 1 at a time. So using this we will get 1 by 2 to the power of 5 only into 5 factorial by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. Here the 4 factorial and the 5 factorial get cut and leave behind 5. So we end up getting 5 by 32. Now we can find probability of at least 2 heads using this formula. So P of at least 2 heads is equal to 1 minus 1 by 32 plus 5 by 32. So this is 1 minus 6 by 32, which is equal to 1 minus 6 by 32, which we can actually write it as 32 minus 6 by 32, because this 32 will get done and then we can subtract it. So this is equal to 26 by 32. Since we have given here 26 by 32, both of them, the numerator and denominator, is divisible by 2, so we can actually write it as P of at least 2 heads equal to 13 by 16. So this is our final answer. We have gotten probability of at least 2 heads. Looking at our option choices, it is evident that D is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.